Have you ever wondered how light bulbs, the essential items that light up our lives, are made? You may not think about it often, but these small, seemingly simple objects play an enormous role in our day-to-day lives. They illuminate our homes, workplaces, and the streets we walk on. But where did it all start? The journey of the humble light bulb began over a century ago with a man named Thomas Edison. He gave birth to the first practical electric light bulb in the late 19th century, a revolutionary invention that forever changed the way we live. Since then, light bulbs have evolved significantly, with the advent of energy-saving fluorescent bulbs and LED bulbs that can change color at the touch of a button. From Edison's incandescent bulb to the latest smart LED lights, the evolution of light bulbs is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of progress. Now let's delve into the fascinating process of how these tiny sources of light come into existence. To start with, every light bulb begins its life as a simple glass bulb. Now you might be wondering, how does that happen? Well, it all begins with the heating of the glass. This glass, often made from silica, is heated to incredibly high temperatures until it reaches a molten state. Once in this molten state, the glass is then blown into the correct shape. This process, known as glass blowing, requires a great deal of skill and precision. It's a delicate balancing act, ensuring the glass is not too thin to shatter, yet not too thick to obstruct the passage of light. The quality of the glass is paramount to the overall performance of the light bulb. Impurities can affect the bulb's brightness, longevity, and even its color. Therefore, manufacturers go to great lengths to ensure the glass used is of the highest quality. Once the glass bulb is ready, it's time to move on to the next step, the filament. The filament is the heart of the light bulb, responsible for producing the light we all depend on. This glowing heart is usually made of a metal called tungsten. Why tungsten, you wonder? Well, it's because tungsten has a high melting point and can sustain the intense heat generated when electricity flows through it. Now, the process of creating the filament is a fascinating one. It begins with the tungsten being drawn into a very fine wire. This wire is then coiled tightly. But here's the real catch, it's not just coiled once, but twice. This double coiling process is called coiling the coil, and it increases the filament's surface area, allowing it to produce more light. When electricity is passed through the filament, its resistance to the electrical current generates heat. And as the filament heats up, it begins to glow with the light we're all familiar with. With the filament in place, the bulb is starting to take shape, but it's not ready to glow just yet. The next steps involve filling the bulb with gas and attaching the base. Now, why do we fill these bulbs with gas, you might wonder? Well, it's not just any gas, but usually argon or nitrogen. This isn't a random choice, but a strategic one. These gases play a crucial role in improving the bulb's efficiency and lifespan. They reduce the filament's evaporation rate, allowing it to glow brighter and last longer. But that's not all. The bulb needs a base, the unsung hero that holds everything together. This base isn't just for show, it's the lifeline of the bulb, providing the electrical connection needed to create light. The base is carefully attached, ensuring a secure fit. This is a vital step, as a poorly attached base could lead to a short circuit or worse, a non-functioning bulb. Now our light bulb is almost ready to shine. The journey isn't over yet, but we're certainly getting closer to seeing the light. The final steps in the process are testing and packaging. Now you might wonder, how do we ensure that each light bulb is up to standard and ready to illuminate our world? Well, each bulb undergoes a rigorous testing process. It's put through its paces, checked and double-checked to ensure it works correctly, and that it meets or even exceeds all safety standards. But the journey doesn't end there. Once the bulb has proven its mettle, it embarks on the next step: packaging. This stage is crucial in protecting the delicate, hard-working bulb during transportation and storage. Each bulb is carefully nestled in a protective casing, ready to take on the world, one room at a time. And there you have it, from a simple piece of glass to a source of light. Next time you flip a switch, take a moment to appreciate the complex process that went into creating that light bulb.